Today on Currie Explained, we're going to go over our 68 to 72 A-body Chevelle crate rear end. Hi, I'm John Henson for Currie Explained, and today we're going to go over our 68 to 72 A-body rear end, which basically covers your Chevelle, Monte Carlo, and same frame styles. The rear end that we're going to build for you is going to be a crate rear end built to the factory width. That's going to be 61¼ inches between wheel mounting surfaces. So from face of brake to face of brake, from where your wheel mounts, the distance between the two is going to be 61¼ Now, your A-bodies are 4-link cars. We mount all of the bracketry in the factory location so that you can use the factory suspension and just swap this right underneath your car. Upper control arms slide on these urethane bushings. Spring mounts are here for your coil springs. And then your shock mounts are right on the front. Shocks come right over the back. And then your lower control arms bolt in from the front side here. This is your factory bump stop. Now, brake options, we give you a few to choose from. We most commonly do your 11-inch Willwood brake and our Ford Explorer brake. Both are 11-inch in diameter. Bolt pattern is going to be your stock Chevy, 5-on 4¾ and we use a 7/16 wheel stud, so it'll accept the factory lug nut. The housing and axle package are available individually if you decided you want to put it together yourself. We can also build this to a custom dimension. If you decided you wanted a different wheel mounting to wheel mount surface, something narrowed for your application, please give us a call. The housing center is going to be a Centurion housing, which is our Currie heavy duty housing. The diameter tube is a 3-inch diameter tube. The housing end is a big bearing Ford new style, sometimes called the Torino housing end. Now, our crate rear end comes with a 31 spline axle shaft. There are upgrades available to go to 35 spline if you so choose. The center section, we most commonly outfit our crate rear ends with the nodular iron case and a 31 spline carrier. Options for the carriers are going to include an open diff, a Currie twin track, or an Eaton true track. The yoke is going to be a 1330 big cap yoke, so that when you're having your drive shafts made, make sure it's got the right U-joint to mate up to that 1330 big cap. Housings are also equipped with a drain plug on the bottom. Oil capacity is going to be 3 quarts of what we recommend 85/140 weight non-synthetic. All of the preceding diffs do not require friction modifier. The housing options are going to be available in powder coat satin black. You can also get it in a raw finish or a gloss black finish if you so choose. I hope that goes over our crate rear end for the 68 to 72 A-body Chevelle. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.